The exhibition, it's called Sentiero. Sentiero, but it's the path. The path is like the path of life, the path of how you get into a painting and you find your path. I always work in series because when I don't want to work anymore an image or I don't want to work on the same inspiration, I stop. I have another idea of a theme and I start, and then till I really want to work and I'm happy in working and I feel that there is another painting to be done, or I want to explore another medium or something like that, I keep it. Sometimes you have an image starting from an old painting, or you have an image from a feeling, and depends. Periods of my work I was working more with feelings and state of mind, and they were less figurative. I really like the resistance that the paper has against the tools, and the paper is very easy to manipulate, so you start inhabiting a little bit the surface, and I erase and I wet the paper. I can even wash a whole work and start again with the traces from before, and so I feel very free on the paper.